We're back again with a new product, or these have been out for a little bit. It's a turn signal from Classic LEDs. I just installed these in the Mustang. They're awesome. These are for the Capri. I'm going to do these next. But these are from Travis at Classic LEDs. You can get these in multiple different configurations. You can make them directional, have halos, just about anything you could imagine he can do with these things. But they're in a factory housing from Daniel Carpenter. They plug right into your factory socket. And you can get, I got these with the black boards and with the amber lens. The Mustang has black boards with clear lenses that are tinted a little bit. But he can do just about anything that you can request. But, well, maybe not anything. But he can do a lot of different things to make them fit your car. But now, watch how simple these are to install in these 4i cars. It can take you less than like 30 minutes. So stick around, check this out. Alright guys, I'm under the car. This is the back of the bumper braces where the light's held in. So you have 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 up in the corner. You want to remove the bulb here. It's just a twist and pull out. Pull that out of the way, let her hang. Then we'll pull these 3 bolts out and this whole assembly will come off. By the way, these bolts are 9/16 on my car, which is an 82. I'll let you know if they're any different on the Capri. It's going to be harder to film underneath that car with the Carter splitter on it. So, we're just going to do this one here, and then pull that out. Have it out. These are 7/16. Just like that. As you can see, these have seen better days. These are the originals for the cars, busted up here, been painted a couple times, busted out back here. The stud popped out. But if you didn't get new ones of these, you can reuse them. So you pull them out. You can jam the 2 nuts together. So we just want to put these together, then we can pull the stud out. Just like that. And then bye-bye to that one. Put this back in. And obviously you don't want to over tighten this because it's just screwing in the plastic, so be careful when you're doing that. It's tight. Break this free. This has a little tab. Sticks in there so you know you have it in the right spot. Just snug them up. They don't have to be super tight. You don't want to break it off in there. But there it is. There it is. Let's get it back in. I have to fix a bolt real quick. You see that? I don't know what happened at some point. I guess I had the bumper brace off at some point. They got dented, but fix that real quick and put it right back in. And there is some adjustment in here. You can make it, you know, move it up and down a little bit if you need to, just to get it to fit exactly where you want. So I'm going to do that now, and then we'll do a comparison next to each other. All right, so now we're going to pull the bulb out. Plug this in. Right there, it looks stock. All right, let's get out and see what it looks like. All right, guys, here you go. Here's a old one over here, and the new one's in right there, as you can probably see. Looking through the camera, it doesn't look like that big of a difference, but in person, it's a major difference. So, this is a pretty easy install to do too. If I wasn't filming, I could probably do both sides in like 30 minutes. The only thing that I had a little problem with, I had to clean all the grease, all the old dielectric grease out of the socket to get the new socket to go in. So that's not a super big deal. I just cleaned it out and put some fresh dielectric grease in it, popped it in there, and it's just like you replaced a factory bulb. Huh. This one's even worse. Look at that. Oh man, that one's all busted up. So I won't have to take the studs out of this one, or other than just take them out of this plastic. All done. Quick, easy install, and make your car look better and safer. So actually, and draw more power, draw less power from your battery. So make sure to go check out Classic LEDs on Instagram, and hit Travis up if you need something for your car. They make tail lights and things for all brands of cars. I'm going to be getting some tail lights for the Mustang later this year. We'll do a video on that. I think when Travis is here for Foxtoberfest, he's going to help me put them in. But stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see that, or want to see anything else we do. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out of here.